Oh, Oscar, you're gonna be all right.
Don't leave me.
Oh, I won't leave you. I'm gonna stay right here in the elevator with you, and you're gonna be okay.
What do I do?
Just do what I do. When I'm so jittery, my knees buckle. Ice water tickles my spine. I'm trapped like a butterfly in a net. Then I say to myself, I'm the bravest individual I have ever met. This game makes very good sense. I get results.
Isn't that great?
Get back my confidence and an even pulse. 78. So when I panic and think each day I've come to the end of the line, then I say the fear hasn't licked me yet. I keep telling myself I'm the bravest individual I have ever met.
Good. Listen, what do you think of this? I have an idea. What do you think of this? Climbing out the top of the elevator, shimmying up the cable, and forcing the door open on the floor above.
I mean, it could work, Oscar, but gee, it sounds a little dangerous.
Then don't try it. Stay here with me. Funny, but suddenly I can't swallow. I think I'm going to die. Sometimes, if you pardon the word, I sweat.
Then you say to yourself, I'm the bravest individual I have ever met.
I'm the bravest individual I have ever met.
Good.
Your game makes very good sense. I get results.
Isn't that fine?
Got back my confidence and an even pulse. 109!
So when you panic and think each day you'll fail at whatever you try,
I just say that fear hasn't licked me yet.
and keep telling yourself,
I'm the strongest, soundest, stoical, daringest, manliest, most heroical.
I'm the bravest individual